Healthy souls, happy people. This is Anthony. I'm here. I'm working with a new idea in my mind, heart, and spirit, and I want to just share it. And I love this thing. I was trying to figure out why my bell sounded so harsh, and now I get it. So I put an ace bandage around my striker and listened to that tone. Fabulous. All right. I needed that. Thank you for listening to me. So, I read something this morning that inspired me. I've run a bunch of things this week that did, but this is one of them. And it's about freedom. So, it's about finding my personal understanding of what actually God is in my life and in spirit. And so that I'm understanding what my spirit is and how I need to deal with it. Because you know what? Everybody has a different vibe on this. And we all grew up in different religions and nationalities, and we come from different customs and walks of life. But you know what? Underneath it all, we are just these spiritual souls. And my concept of a God is evolving. And that's how I understand my spirit. I don't always get everything the first time. I don't always understand what I read the first time or what I hear the first time. It takes me a while to digest it and see it and listen to it and really understand it. And then if I don't understand it, I ask my spiritual center to come forward. Bring me the information you're trying to communicate to me if I don't get it, because sometimes I don't get it till later. And that also happens with spiritual work. That's also happened when I've done shamanic work with people. So I'll do this work with somebody and where I do a power animal retrieval or a soul retrieval. And, I got them an animal or felt like their soul came back to them in whichever way it needed to. But I didn't really get the deeper message. And sometimes that doesn't even come to me until a day or two later, or something that I'm actually trying to figure out for myself. So, you have to understand that, our spirit, life, and energy and will give us the information, but you also have to ask for information in a way that you can understand it and receive it. So, there's a sense of a unique purpose in my journey of life and helping to understand, standing the order to live it fully. Grounded in my faith, I can hold on tight to my course and meet the future with confidence. And that means no matter what happens in my world today, that life is going to go on. It doesn't matter what happens on the outer because what's inside is how you feel. That's what matters. That's where our stability is at. So, because one a time ago, I was afraid to live my life for myself, and this was because I didn't know how to do it. I didn't understand it, and there was nobody to show me how to do that. But I have an understanding of the resource of a higher power and spirit within me, and I'm not alone on my journey. I am um, able to access that information. Not just me, we all are. So it is important for everybody to understand that, we are free to be the souls we are, to believe the way we believe, and to be who we are just because we're here. And it is our divine right as a spiritual being to walk on this earth and be happy, and we have the right to be free, happy, and joyful. So, with generosity, gratitude, and grace, I say thank you and have a wonderful day. And that's my little inspirational talk for today.